Hi, what you're going to see in this following short video is real examples of properties that we've purchased for our clients. This video hasn't been put together in some studio. It's myself going around showing you the deals that we've found, we've checked to make sure these work, and explain how profitable they've become for our clients over the last 12 months, and hopefully help you decide that this is the right thing that you would like to do. So let's go and have a look through some of these properties. Now as we drive down the street, you'll see that it's a nice quality area, it's quiet, it's peaceful, there are no burnt out homes in this area at all. Again, these are the key factors you need to be looking for when making your investment choices. The first one, and probably the most important, is real results and real returns. This particular property here was purchased last year for $57,500. In less than 12 months, it's increased in value to $85,900, or a massive jump in value of $25,400. Now, how do we achieve that? We do our due diligence and we find the cities with real capital growth and real demand. This particular city that we're in has an actual capital growth in the last 12 months of over 27%. However, the suburbs that we are working actually have a far greater return than that. One of the reasons that we achieve this is picking the right suburb in good areas. As you can see as I pan around the area, they're all nice homes, it's a quiet neighbourhood, close to schools and shops, and it's in demand. It's an area that people would like to live in. You'd feel comfortable living here yourself. You're not buying a property in an area where there is lots of foreclosure and burnt out houses. Okay, let's go and have a look at another property and see what the yield returns are on those.
So let's just go over the figures again. This property was picked up for just $57,600. Zillow estimates the value today to be around $85,900, or a massive jump in equity of $28,300, or 49% on your money. The property is rented currently for $850 per month, or an 18% gross return as a rental. That's spectacular. You won't find property like that in Australia.
Okay, let's go and have a look at another property and see what the yield returns are on those. So here we are at another property that we picked up for one of our clients less than 12 months ago. Isn't this magnificent? It's a huge home in a great location. Again, as I pan up the street, you can see it's a beautiful area, quiet, literally no other properties currently on the market. Again, like they say, you want to buy in a quality area. This particular property was picked up for just $68,900. In less than 12 months, the value has increased to $121,600. That's a jump of $52,700. It's literally been going up in value by $1,000 a week. Now have a think about it. What would you pay for a property like this back in Australia? $500,000-$600,000? How proud would you feel to have purchased something like this? Now, this is the difference between investing correctly and just buying another property.
So let's just go over the figures again. This property was picked up for just $69,900. Today they estimate the value to be around $121,600. That's a massive increase in equity of $52,700, or 76% on your money. The property is currently rented for $1,100 per month. That's a 19% rental return on your money.
So here we are at the third property as an example to show what we've achieved for our clients. Again, as you look at it, it's a quality home in a nice setting. As I pan around, I'm sorry about the sun. It's just getting late in the afternoon, but it's beautiful here today. You'll see it's located in a beautiful street surrounded by other high quality homes. Again, it's pretty easy to work out how to invest properly. So as we come back round to the property, this particular property was purchased for $84,500. Its current market value is $133,600 approximately. That's a jump of $49,100, again in less than 12 months. So what we're going to do next is go through the cash flows of these properties to show you how positively geared they are in this current market and how much you can make. And again, the question to ask yourself, where could you find property like this with this kind of return in Australia? So let's go and work out some of the numbers.
So here's the numbers on the last property. This property was purchased for $84,500. Its estimated value today is $133,600, or an increase in equity of $49,100, or 58% on your money. The property is rented currently for $1,100 per month, or 16% rental yield return. So let's go and do a what if. What if you'd been the purchaser of all three properties? What would that have actually cost you? Would you believe just $210,900? Again, what you need to ask yourself is, what could you have bought in Australia for that amount of money? The properties have gone up in value by a whopping $130,200. And you currently get a monthly gross rental return of over $3,000 per month. You can understand how the opportunity in America can really set you up for life by picking the right properties. So what we want to do next is just show you a few of the little things we do to really pinpoint the properties to be able to generate these kind of returns. So let's go and have a look at that. What I want to do now is just show you a couple of the things that we do that makes us stand out amongst the crowd. Firstly, what we do is we analyze the different markets and we work out the best places to purchase in. What are the average market growth? And then we analyze the area with the potentially higher capital growth. That's how we're able to achieve the results above. Once we've determined this, we then pinpoint the suburbs that will give us the best growth. Here's another quick example of what we look for when purchasing a property, which is the optimal yield point in the market. Because a property costs more doesn't mean it will return a higher return. Again, buying a cheaper property doesn't necessarily mean that you may get a better return. As the graph shows, we target the area with the best potential return. Again, these are just a few things that we do that many other companies don't do to find you the right properties. You might be thinking, well, that's all well and good for the past, but what are you buying today? This particular property we've just recently purchased for our client for $87,400. We've tidied it up for $4,000 and we purchased so well that we put it back out on the market for our client and sold it within a few days for $109,000. What I'd like to do is now show you the video of when we walked through it so you can see what we actually purchased and how good our buying power is.
We spent $4,000 on landscaping and we had another roof.
Okay, I'm not sure if you heard that. This was picked up for $87,400, spent about $4,000 tidying it up. It's going back out on the market at about $109,000, $110,000. Let's have a wander through.
No HOA.
This is nice.
No HOA, no association. And to look at the property.
This uncut clip was a great example of our buying power and ability to identify properties with real equity in great locations, and in this case being able to realize that equity for our clients within a few days for them, generating around a $20,000 gross return.
Well, I hope you've enjoyed that short video that shows you some of the properties that we've been able to purchase for our clients here in the US. If you'd like to know more information, please fill out your details here on the site. We'll send you a copy of our Blueprint to Wealth. This will help you understand the market more and where you're at and how to actually move forward. We'll also like to offer you a free consultation with one of our property specialists who's happy to discuss with you on the phone and help you with any details you might have. Look forward to talking to you soon. Bye for now.